Get strong.
Republic, KFC individuals are doing something that we stop doing. Show them that, show them. See it? It's about to go in my belly and it's so tasty. Very crunchy and well seasoned. And this is the Dominican Republic KFC that we are trying for the first time. We Jamaicans are trying for the first time. And it is comparable or even surpassed the taste of the one that I have eaten several times in the last few months in Jamaica. And this is a 6-piece from the knuckle back. And you can see this video. Everything came to 1,105 pesos Dominican or something. No. This is equivalent to about $9 times 2, about $18 US. So the price isn't bad.
I'm going to try the pastry. Let's show it.
That pastry as well with the 6-piece. Full fries. Just 2 small fries and 2 biscuits.
And here it is.
And that is the dessert.
So the reason why the spicy is in half.
See? The cream and the I'm gonna save mine for last, but let me just. Oh my god! It is very tasty. It has some filling inside, some it's sweet. Frankly, it's very delicious. It's very delicious. Can someone comment down to me if you get this? It's tasty in Jamaica. try the grape juice?
No, no, good.
And my last piece, I'm going to the bowl. So this is what it tastes like.
Tastes good. But very creamy and rich in filling. And grape juice is
it's more in-
not too much sugar. There's not too much sugar in the grape juice. Just the right amount. So ultimately, I would rate this better than, not better than, I would say equal to Jamaican KFC.
You heard that?
Although some might disagree.
My son said that he was rated, he rates rather, the Dominican Republic KFC at the same level as the Jamaican KFC, even though some may disagree. I agree. This one was well seasoned. And the girls were so helpful, you know. This is a country where Spanish is the first language. And one of the young ladies who appears to be bilingual, she speaks some English, came out and assisted her. And I appreciated that. It made our life easier and their life easier. Well, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching as usual. I really appreciate it. Peace.
Hola.